Ramp up COVID-19 preparedness in the country, the Nairobi Hospital has launched a partnership with the United Nations office in Nairobi to build a COVID-19 center at a tune of 1 billion shillings. Now, KTN News' Emmanuel Tor was at the event and now gives us an update.
Well, thank you very much. We are coming to you from the Nairobi Hospital at the Old School of Nursing, where the partnership between the Nairobi Hospital and the United Nations office in Nairobi is just taking place, where these facilities being converted into a COVID-19 holding facility to take care of the COVID-19 patients.
So this is a partnership between the United Nations and the Nairobi Hospital to increase the Nairobi Hospital's capacity to care for COVID patients. We are building a 150-bed COVID hospital on these grounds, away from the main Nairobi Hospital. We're excited about it because at this point in the evolution of the epidemic, this is a much-needed investment.
And what is the budget being invested in this by the UN?
The budget for this project is about 1.1 billion shillings. The bulk of that is coming from the UN. But as I said, it's a partnership. Part of that budget is coming from the Nairobi Hospital. And our contribution is going to be renovation of our old nursing school, which is next to me right here, into a 50-bed COVID facility. That, with the UN's investment in a 100-bed facility that will have operating theaters, pharmacy, diagnostic capability, essentially an autonomous hospital standing on this side of the road.
The partnership reflects Kenya's leadership in terms of medical expertise in the region. The agreement by the Secretary General to the request of President Kenyatta for the building of this treatment facility in Kenya underscores the United Nations' faith in Kenya's human resource and expertise. It is also a reflection of Nairobi's role as a key peacekeeping, humanitarian and development hub for Africa. The treatment facility, as you have already heard, will be 100% Kenyan built and run using local source contractors, labor and material. We reduce the burden of caring for COVID patients, COVID-positive United Nations personnel and partners on the Kenya healthcare system.
The two institutions have come together to put in place a framework of cooperation in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Nairobi Hospital started operations in Kenya in 1954. Today, it is one of the premier private hospitals in the country, providing health care not only to Nairobi residents, but to patients from all over the country and the East Africa region at large. Its medical expertise and service provision has earned the hospital recognition throughout East Africa and beyond as an advanced diagnostic, treatment and referral center.